Well, hi there folks, I'm back at the field. Now a couple of days back I maidened my Lidl Vulcan, which is a combination of foam board, Lidl fuselage and this original design. Today, feeling a bit nervous, going to maiden my other Vulcan. Really chunky motor, so I think it's going to be a bit of a beast to fly. Plus there's a bit more wind today, which is probably maybe a good thing, I'm not sure, but at least I haven't got the same low sun that I had yesterday. The other thing I'm going to try and do is I made this launch ramp because I don't much like hand launching, and I especially don't like hand launching flying wings. So the idea of this is it pushes in the ground, and I'm hoping that this is just going to shoot off the ramp like a NASA space rocket and launch without me having to go anywhere near throwing it. I mean, part of the reason I don't like hand launching is you don't get a chance to actually get control of the plane before it's whacking into the ground. So wish me luck with that. Feeling a bit nervous, but it can only go two ways, so good or bad. So here we go, and it's bloody cold again. Oh, wish me luck. Oh, and it is actually quite gusty. So this is either going to leap off the ramp and do it, or nothing's going to happen. What do you reckon's going to happen? It's going to have to go flat out. Oh, straight into the deck. All right. So I don't think that plan's going to work. I'm going to have to throw it. I'll give it one more go. Right, it's going to have to be a chuck it job. It cuts the grass well. The idea of this bit is you can chuck it. Oh, actually there's a nice breeze. The idea of this is you can chuck it and you don't get your hand in the way. Oh, it's quite heavy. Let's give it a go. Oh, no, I've got to throw it high. I'll give it half throttle. That's half throttle. I need more expo on that, man. That scares the life out of me. It's a bit too windy for it. I'm going to land, but it flies. That's half throttle. That's not so bad. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, I think it's too windy actually. But it flies. I'm going to give it some more expo. Reduce the rates a bit, because that was twitchy as hell. But oh, look at that, I've got the shakes, but I got it down safely. I'm going to fly it again on a day when it's not quite so windy. I don't know if you can see the grass moving down here. I looked on XE weather, there wasn't much wind around, but there's obviously more wind here than it shows on XE weather. Or shall I just be brave and give it another go? The only way I'll get used to it is to fly it. Whoa, it certainly launches all right. Look at that, man. It's quick. It will fly at half throttle. It's not so bad at half throttle. Whoa. God, it will just power climb. Nearly lost it there. It's a bit dark, I can't see what I'm doing. I nearly lost it there with the silhouette. Weighs about 500 grams as well, so it's not a lightweight. But what about that? Now, I've had enough today. For one, it's so cold. Anyway, if you've enjoyed that, please check out some of the other vids on my channel down there, and particularly check out my Lidl Vulcan, which is so slow and easy to fly. But thanks for watching, take care, see you all again soon, and bye for now.